I've been daily carrying a Ruger SR1911 since we introduced the gun in 2011. And despite it being a full-size, all-steel gun, 1911s are very thin and they carry well. So I was never really at a disadvantage, or so I thought. We since then came up with commander-style guns, which are 4¼ inch barrel length, a little bit shorter than the government model. This one happens to be in 9mm with an aluminum frame. And then I upgraded my daily carry to the 10mm model, which I really like. But now we have an officer size steel frame in 45 auto. And this seems to be the perfect combination of features that gives you everything you'd like in a 1911 in a smaller compact carry. So this officer style with a steel frame has many of the same features as the full-size guns. We have a stainless steel frame and slide, a lowered and relieved ejection port. It's a Series 70 design with a titanium firing pin. We have genuine Novak sights, a skeletonized trigger and hammer, a beaver tail grip safety with a memory bump, checkered mainspring housing, and very nice G10 grips. And in this model, we have a triple recoil spring. So it does an outstanding job of controlling the slide motion through the firing cycle and does a great job of controlling the recoil and function of the gun. So this small compact SR1911 is reliable, it's accurate, it gives us 1911 fans something that we really like, but in a smaller, easy to carry package. So this Ruger SR1911 officer style with a steel frame in 45 auto is available now at your local firearms retailer. You should check it out.